All right, today we're going to work on how to use the verb haben. It's another one of those weird verbs in German. And you're going to want some paper so that we can take notes. This is just like sein, it's kind of weird. And if you've forgotten how to conjugate sein, it's ich bin, du bist, sie, es ist. And if you need to, pause the video to write that down because you are expected to know those three forms by now. So we're going to start with a T-chart. Go ahead, draw your T-chart real quick. You're going to put haben in the infinitive sign, and you're going to put to have as the meaning of the verb. All right, go ahead and write your pronouns down. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, and sie. Then we're going to put in the ones that are normal. So these are the way that we conjugate this verb just like everyone, where it's just the stem and the ending. The ich, the wir, the ihr, the sie, and the z form are all the absolute same normal verbs that we use, or the normal way that we conjugate the verbs, with the e, the en, the t, and then the en on the end of the z haben part. So go ahead and write those down. Then du is the first kind of weird one, and that's du hast, just like in the Rammstein video. Then you have the sie, es, hat. Sadly, I have no cool music reference for hot, but yeah, so go ahead and write that down. Notice there's no B in either the du or the sie, es form. Now, how do we use them in a sentence? Simple sentence like, I have a brother, or you have a sister. All you have to do is look at the pronoun I and you, and you're going to conjugate it to that form. It should look like, ich habe einen Bruder, oder du hast eine Schwester. Here's she has a dog, or we have homework. Sie hat einen Hund. Wir haben Hausaufgabe. Let's use some questions. We've got, do y'all have German, or do they have a car? These are the plural forms. You would simply say, habt ihr Deutsch, oder haben Sie ein Auto? Now you try. Pause the video and write down these 4 sentences. And then answer them. So you should have, hast du das Klavier? Wir haben Karten. Ihr habt ein Buch. Ich habe viele Videospiele. Again, you're going to want to pause. This is your homework or your ticket into class. You're going to write down these 3 sentences, and I want you to translate them. You know all of the words to translate the sentences. We'll go over them in class. Please don't just put them into a translation service. It's just a quick, easy homework grade. However, if you don't have these with you when you come into class, I'll have an alternate assignment for you so that those of us who actually did our homework last night can go ahead and move on. So, please bring headphones to class tomorrow. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a fabulous evening.